Tired of seeing that annoying "this experience is restricted" message in Roblox? Let's blast through those parental controls and get you back in the game. First, you'll need to log into the Roblox account on a computer or mobile device. Make sure it's the account that's experiencing the restrictions. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, on the Settings page, click on the Privacy tab on the left-hand side. This is where we'll adjust the account restrictions. Scroll down until you see Account Restrictions. If the toggle switch is enabled, usually green, it means the restrictions are turned on. Click the toggle switch to disable account restrictions. Next, look at the other privacy settings. Adjust who can message me, who can chat with me in-app, and who can join me in experiences. To your preference, setting these to friends or everyone can help avoid further restrictions. Also, consider adjusting who can see my inventory and other similar options to allow more interaction. Just remember to keep safety in mind. And that's it. Now you should be able to access the Roblox experiences that were previously restricted. Enjoy your game. Remember to play responsibly and be aware of online safety.